Vehicle overturns are one of the biggest risks you face when hauling sand, gravel, debris and rocks. Whether you're unloading at a job site or traveling down the highway, keeping your truck upright requires smart driving, good judgment, and the right techniques. Here's what you need to know to avoid a costly and potentially dangerous rollover. Speed is one of the biggest factors in rollovers. Too fast into a turn, down a ramp, or over uneven terrain. That's a recipe for disaster. Take turns and curves slowly. Your truck's high center of gravity makes it more prone to tipping. This is made even worse by a potentially wet or unevenly distributed load. Reduce speed well before a curve, and never rely solely on posted speed limits. They're for cars, not a loaded dump trailer. Adjust for road conditions. Wet, muddy, or loose gravel roads make it easier to lose control. Ease up on the gas and keep a steady hand on the wheel. Know your limits. Speed limits might say one thing, but if you're loaded heavy or the road is rough, drive at a speed that keeps you in control. You can't control other drivers, but you can control how you react to them. Defensive driving keeps you ahead of the situation. Increase your following distance. Loaded trucks need extra time to stop, especially on job site roads where dust, mud, and debris can reduce traction. Avoid sudden moves. Quick lane changes, hard braking, or sharp steering can throw off your balance and increase the risk of overturn. Always plan your movements ahead of time. Watch for soft shoulders. Rural roads and construction sites often have weak edges that can give way under a heavy load, leading to a rollover. Dumping your load is when your trailer is most vulnerable to tipping. The higher the bed lifts, the more unstable your truck becomes. Always dump on level, firm ground. If the ground is uneven or soft, your trailer can lean and tip over. If the site isn't level, request a safer spot to unload. Check for overhead hazards. Power lines, tree branches, or structures can get in the way of your trailer as it lifts. Make sure your path is clear before you dump. Unload slowly and smoothly. Don't rush the process. If your load sticks, lower the trailer and adjust rather than forcing it. Uneven loads can cause the trailer to lean and tip. Stay in the cab until dumping is complete. If your truck does tip, being inside gives you the best protection. Never stand next to the trailer while unloading. A rollover can put you out of work, damage equipment, or worse. Manage your speed, drive defensively, and unload carefully to avoid unnecessary risks and get the job done safely. Take your time, stay aware, and always prioritize safety. Your truck, your load, and your life depend on it.